Hey y'all, today I am going to be reviewing this Kinky straight wig from Alipearl. This is a 24-inch U-part wig, and this is the box it came in. It also came with an edge brush and some headbands and a scarf. So now I'm going to show you guys the wig. It's a really nice dense wig, and it matches my hair texture perfectly. And then inside is some combs and an elastic band in the back to adjust the wig. And as you guys can see, my leave out is not too much. It's not too much leave out. And then this is my braid down. I can't braid my real hair good. I really like this wig because I don't need to use any additional heat on my natural hair. I actually could have left it straight and my leave out would have blended right in with the hair. But since I'm going to curl it, I actually need to wrap my hair in the weave and then curl it that way just so it blends better. But as you guys can see, like my natural hair is already starting to blend in with the weave. So if I was going to wear it straight, I wouldn't even need to add any additional heat. But now I'm just showing you guys how long it is on me. I'm 5'4", and this is how long it comes. It says a 24-inch, but I don't know. I'm thinking maybe it's a 26-inch. That's what it looks like. But now what I'm doing is just blending in my leave out with the weave. And like I said, as you guys can see, only thing I really needed to do now was to put on a little bit of edge control, and I could have wore it like that. But I'm going to curl it, and I'm going to use my curling iron to add in some big curls to it. And then you guys are going to see me layer it. Now the hair looked too flat to me, so that's why I decided to add some layers into it just so it's not all flat and then curls at the bottom. So I'm going to move my leave out the way and then take some regular shears, not shears, but these are just regular scissors. And I'm just going to go in and cut where I feel like it looked flat. And I'm just going to cut it and layer it in a downward motion. And that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This wig information will be listed down in the description box, and be sure to tune in to my next video.